Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's the girl Lady M here, and in today's video I will be doing my February base Boxycharm unboxing in today's video. But before we get into my little unboxing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below. That way you'll be notified whenever new videos go up. And then make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you'll also be notified whenever new videos go live. All right, guys, so let's get into this month's Boxycharm box. All right, let's do it. I got my handy dandy scissors. As you can see, my box is sealed. So let's open her up. Yes. And let's get this party started. So this is the February base box. And so I don't really know what's in here, but we're about to find out. I don't even know. I didn't even see any sneak peeks or anything about the box. So we're going to be opening her up together. Oh my God. And this box is the Boxycharm xoxoxo box. So I'm assuming that this is going to be their Valentine's Day curated box. I don't know. Yes, but if you look at the inside, I don't know if it's always red. I can't remember. I don't remember. So this is my box. Ooh, let's see what we got. First thing I see is some skincare. And this is from, oh my God, I love Tula. So this is a skincare. This is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Yes. I am here for it. So if you don't know anything about Tula Skincare, it's a really good brand. You can find them at Nordstrom's. You can find them at Ulta. They're pretty good. And this is their probiotic skincare. And they're made basically of like superfoods, clean ingredients, no harsh chemicals. None of that bad stuff is going to be in their products. It's clean and effective. So it says here, it says, feed your skin the good stuff. It's formulated without paraben, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oils, petroleum, formaldehydes, formaldehyde-releasing preservatives, retinol, glutenol, and synthetic fragrance. And they are also cruelty-free. I already have the Glow Balm, I have the Glycolic Toner, and I already have the Clarifying Cleanser. So I'm adding to my Tula skincare, and I'm definitely going to be using this. It's purifying, so it helps with the pores. It's powered by pink salt, volcanic sand, witch hazel. That deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify pores to minimize the look of blackheads. Lactic acid and gentle hibiscus flower polish pores. Probiotics are raspberry leaf and pomegranate reveal smoother and softer skin. So yes, excited about this. I do know that it looks, it's in a little tube like this, and it's squeezy, and it's supposed to have like, obviously it's sealed, but it has like, it looks black or like a blackberry kind of color or something like that. So yeah, I am excited for that. The second thing I have is from Evio Beauty, and this is their Pore Perfecting Primer, and it has a matte finish. It's natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and toxic-free. Where's my little sheet that tells me what this stuff retails for? But I'll be sure to list that in the bottom of the video. In the description box, I'll have each item and what they actually retail for. Yeah, so it's also sealed. It's like so fine on here, like I can't even read anything else on here. So kind of like two skincare X, two skincare X. Oh, so we kind of got like two skincare products in here. Yeah, I'll definitely try. I like anything that helps with pores, so I'll definitely try that out. And I probably want to research to see who Evio Beauty is, so that way I'll know, you know, more about the brand or whatever. So I'm all about skincare because skincare is where you win, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna try to research to see who Evio Beauty is, because I don't really know anything about that brand, never heard of that brand, but it's something natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free. So it's right up my alley of trying to, you know, watch what we're putting on our skin, because it does get absorbed into the body. So the Evio Beauty Pore Affecting Primer is $23, and the Tula Skincare Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub is $32. So yeah. Yes. And then this Evio Beauty says it's a moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness. So that's really good. If you have any redness, then maybe that will be something that will be good for you. Next up is, this is the second time I think I've received something from this brand. I don't even know how to say it. Trestique. I don't know how to say it. So this is their eye duo. It's a mascara and an eye pencil in one. And this eye pencil looks like a slate kind of color. Yeah, I probably won't swatch it. And then it has a mascara. This looks really weird. Look at this packaging. Yeah, I don't really know. Yeah, very weird. Okay, so let's read up about it. It's the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. I guess you can look at the picture there and it kind of says what it does, or it's really weird. Do you see how this is like the bottom and then here is like the mascara one and then it goes into that thing? So yeah. This retails for $44. It's an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil is formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. Interesting product, but yeah, I'm not interested. I won't be trying it. So yes, that will go in my giveaway to somebody's pile. Next up is this pink pouch, and I guess it looks like brushes or something. Let's take a look-see. I cannot get it out the bag, guys. Okay, I just ripped up the wrapper. Of course, it's some brushes. It's from Glamoury, and it's pink luxe glitter eye brushes. So that's what they look like. And like, no, thank you. Yeah, no. So I'm assuming you have like, this looks like an eyeshadow brush. You got a little blending brush. You got a brow brush. And then another like smudge brush right there. So it's like 4 brushes. It's glittery and enchanting and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles made blending easily and flawless. This is for $29.95. Yeah, if I had a little girl that was into makeup, this is what I would give her to play with. No shade, but no. So yeah, not feeling that at all. And then lastly, I have a palette. Ooh. And it is from Ace Beauty. And it is their Nostalgic palette. Nostalgia? Yeah, Nostalgia palette. The Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Okay, talk about a colorful palette, y'all. And that's what that is. Yeah. Kind of has every color that you kind of want to play with. So it looks like you have 1, 2, 3 mattes and everything else. So that means you have 12 mattes and you have 3 shimmers. Interesting. Not too shabby. I have never used one of Ace Beauty's palette before, but I probably could, you know, do a little colorful look here. And these colors probably stain because they're like, probably like pigments, pure pigments. But anyway, guys, that was everything that came in my Boxycharm box. I will be sure to let you guys know below what is the total value of this box. I have 5 items, and probably out of the 5, I probably will try 1, 2, 3. Definitely gonna try the blackhead scrub because I use Tula skincare. Definitely will try that pore affecting primer, and I'll try the palette. Yeah. So I'm trying to put this back in the bag, but it's just not cooperating with me. All right, guys. So that completes my Boxycharm unboxing for this month. It's the XOXO box, but I was not feeling the XOXOXO at all. Not at all. I didn't like this little brush thing. And this little mascara thing, this is a repeat because I've gotten this in another box before. And then so I got 3 things here that I'm vibing, that I'm feeling. All right, guys, so let me know in your comments. Do you subscribe to Boxycharm? What did you get in your box? If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm and you would like to subscribe, I'll also have a link down below that you can subscribe through my referral link and you get some coins. All right, for using the referral link, you get a little discount. So go ahead and use that if you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm. And let me know, guys, what did you get? What are you feeling? What do you want to see? Like, you know, what's up? Talk to me in the comments, you know, in the little comment section below. Thanks for joining me for today's Boxycharm unboxing. This is the February box, and I'll be sure to link the other Boxycharm boxes that I got for January in the little cards above, so you can check that out. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching today's video. And before we go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That way you become part of the Lady M fam. And then hit that notification bell. That way you also be notified whenever new videos go live. All right, guys, thanks for joining in today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.